Kailan ka nga ba huling nag-coffee break? Hello mga ka-travel! Welcome to Coffee Break. This is a cozy cafe where you can relax, enjoy good food, and of course, great drinks. You can choose between indoor dining na may cozy ambience or alfresco dining kung gusto mo ng open at relaxing space. Marami kang pagpipilian sa drinks, from coffee, milk tea, refreshers, props, and even alcoholic drinks. So there's something for everyone. If you're hungry, meron silang flavored chicken wings like salted egg, buffalo spicy, garlic parmesan, at yang yum. May priced with flavors like cheese, barbecue, sour cream, at ang kakaibang wasabi. Perfect pang snacks habang nagkakape. May iba't ibang chicken options din like chicken tenders, spicy on stick, chicken pops with cheese sauce, at kahit tofu squares for something different. They also serve main dishes like baked salmon, smoked ribs, at creamy mushroom beef. Kaya pwede ka talagang mag-full meal dito. May mga desserts din like mini donuts, waffles, crapples, at sundae. Plus, silog meals like chicken sausage, hot dog, chicken, at burger stick. Ang bonus, may katabi itong car wash. So, kung nagpapalinis ka ng sasakyan, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your coffee. This is also a popular meetup spot for riders and big bike owners. Kaya if you love cars and motorcycles, may enjoy mo ang tambayan vibe dito. Isa na ata ito sa mga cafe na pinakamaraming choices when it comes to drinks and food. Kaya sigurado may makikita ka na magugustuhan mo. So take a break, grab a drink, and enjoy the vibe. Here at Coffee Break. Bye!